In this video, I will show you how to create cameos on Snapchat. Firstly, if you want to take over that selection, you need to go on your chat selection, which is right down on the setting button. When you get there, you need to open up a chat selection with someone, for example, with this friend. And right now, guys, as you want to take over that selection to create that cameos, you need to tap right here on that first selection with that sticker tab. Just go on it. And right from here, guys, as you can see, there are all of these cameos which are so suspicious on your site selection. Just go again, and yeah, right now, as you can see, they are all have been created by your site self and also from your avatar. Yeah, if you go on hard session, as you can see, you have no favorite sites cameos. And also, if you go right here, you can see that also you have emojis on that selection. But when we are here, what we can do, simply we can go and take that selection from it and simply select which site we want and add it, for example, right here.